Temperature is finally coming down, at least in some spots, but actually the airport, like we've been saying, still stuck at 91. Our temperatures coming down through the evening into the 80s, and our feels like temperatures will also be moving down as well. But our live radar is showing just a little bit of shower action. Look at this. Those of you along the West Bank, I was just pointing out we would have a little shower move over you. It's just about kind of dwindling now, and you might have a few sprinkles, I think, and that's about it. Also, a few more showers over toward Lake Bourne. Not a whole lot of rain, though. So this evening, we're just coming down through the 80s, and overnight, maybe a slight chance for a shower or two, but not looking for a lot of rain tonight. North and south of Lake Pontchartrain will be in the 70s. Tomorrow, high temperatures might get up there toward 94, and feels like nearing 10 degrees or so higher than that. So easily feeling like lower triple digits with a few stray storms out there. But I'll show you why in a second. We have high pressure building back. So tomorrow our rain chance is not very high. This is tonight, very quiet. Let's look ahead to tomorrow so you can make your plans. 2 p.m. Sunday, a couple of showers and storms popping up, but just not a whole lot. I have the rain chance near about 20, maybe at the most 30%. 5 p.m. couple of showers finishing up, and then this is by 8 p.m. Anything we do see flare up will be finishing up as we get toward sunset. This is our upper pattern the next several days. Big high pressure area building right over us. So that's going to squash our rain chances, and also it will make it hotter because we'll have a little bit of drier air moving in as well, and drier air heats up more efficiently. Now looking ahead, when we have these setups with the big high with less rain, our temperature can get up there, but look at our records. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, very close to 100, and Wednesday actually the record for that day's date is 101 from 1981. For us, I have our forecast up to middle 90s, maybe pushing upper 90s in a few spots, but I'm not sure if we'll actually touch any record highs. So we'll say near record heat, but actually you can see our forecast is a few degrees below those records for the next several days. After our hot stretch through the middle of the week, we will start to see, you can see the drier air here, but we will start to see moisture getting pulled right back over us at the end of the week. These deep oranges are showing a lot of deep moisture, and so that will help to fuel some showers and storms. Probably from Wednesday afternoon all the way into the weekend, we'll have a little higher chance for rain. Now, these actual rain precipitation potential numbers will probably bounce up or down as we get a little closer, but for now it looks like at least a pretty decent chance for those showers and storms, and of course that usually means less hot weather as well. All right, in the tropics, done with that 93L. We have one wave highlighted from the National Hurricane Center with a low chance of development, but only briefly in the next few days, as conditions will not be very conducive. You can see our Euro model spinning maybe the tiniest bit up, but then as it gets toward the Caribbean, we'll probably encounter again some hostile conditions and fizzle. There may be another wave following behind that, so wouldn't be surprised to see this briefly highlighted. But both of these waves, as you continue to track them, they just kind of fall apart, at least right now it looks like with the models. One thing we actually have going for us is generally some dry air and still some Saharan dust. So not the best conditions at this point, especially for those farther out waves to try to strengthen as they near the Caribbean and then beyond that. So we'll keep an eye out for everything. Of course, needless to say, we'll watch everything. We'll watch those showers and storms with that slug of moisture heading our way at the end of the week. That'll be heading toward us, as you saw, from the east. So we'll watch everything, but not anticipating at this point any sort of tropical development or tropical threats. Our 7-day forecast, Tuesday 96 or so maybe for the high. Some models going even a bit higher than that. And then thankfully, with the rain at the end of the week, our temperature comes back. We might even be looking for upper 80s next weekend.